Hey Technatious Tigers, here's your G Suite tip of the week number 2. Managing multiple Google accounts from one laptop. You may have noticed in your Google Drive that you can add accounts by clicking the icon near the top right and selecting Add Account. However, this often is glitchy and may cause frustrations. So I suggest that you go to the top right corner of your Google Chrome web browser and click on the icon or the photo that is there. Once you click on it, a menu will open and you can select Manage People. Here you can see I only have one Google account attached to my Chrome web browser, and that is my VVSD Google account. If I needed to remove that account, I simply hover over the image, click on the 3 dots near the top right corner, and select Remove This Person. When you need to add an account, go to the bottom right corner and select Add Person. Give this account a name and select an icon, and go back to the bottom right corner and select Add. It will ask you to sign into this account. Go ahead and select Sign In. Enter the email for that Google account and select Next. Then enter your password. Select Next again. If it asks you to sync, say Yes or OK, and it will begin syncing all of your bookmarks, all of your extensions that you have saved for that account as well. It may ask permissions again for some of the extensions. Go ahead and give permissions. Once you have noticed all of your bookmarks are present and all of your extensions that you had are present, it is done syncing with your account and you may begin working. Now, in order to switch back and forth from account to account, I simply select the icon in my Chrome web browser near the top right corner. Then I can either manage people and add another account, or I can select the account that is already synced and switch to that one to begin my work here. Again, top right corner, icon or photo. To add another person, you can select Manage People, or to switch between accounts, select the account that you would like to begin working with. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching.